Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Hello, Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my life. My God, 11. All people is sleeping. Hello, Jawad, Ahmad. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. How are you, Sister G? I'm fine. How about you? Hello, Auntie G. What Auntie G? My name is Rahil Ahmad from Pakistan. I am Muslim G. Oh, really? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My language is Urdu. Yes, I know. Because my husband is Pakistani. I know some simple Urdu, but not. You are married? I am married, and my husband is Pakistani. Hello, Banana from Pakistan. I'm Pakistani as well, sis. Oh, hello. Hello, brother. How are you guys? Mm, Um, Banana from Pakistani. I'm from Philippines. Uh, I don't know. Only simple Urdu. Not much. Just maybe 10 words of Urdu I know. Unforgettable. Ah. Ah. What? What you saying? Mm, mm, your baby? Ah, in my husband, I don't have baby, but I have one daughter in Philippines. Oh, thank you for informing, Mr. Banana. My language is Urdu, Sister G. I know, Ahmed, I know. Because my husband is Pakistani, and yes, so that's why I know. I know only simple Urdu. Some Urdu I know, but not much. Maybe 5 words or any. Muhammad, sorry. Oh, mashallah. Your baby total G. I have one daughter in Philippines. What your husband name? Why you asking? My husband name is Adnan. Why? Sorry. Yes, I am Muslim. It's okay. It's not bad question. Just I don't like bad question. I can answer that. I will not ask again. Hello, Yasin Abro. Welcome. Hmm. Nasira naman na to. Hmm. Mhm. Hmm. Yambot. Ah, every day. Yasin, I don't know how to. Quality of stream is bad for your kind information. Eh? What? Because my connection is so slow, not good. That's why. That's why so slow because my connection is also slow. Do you know I know every language in the world? Really? You know how you know language of Philippines? Can't believe. Mm, 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 every day I love you. Same you see? Huh? Same you, what? What you saying? No, seems. I can understand what you saying. It's Portuguese language. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. How about you? Oh, it's a Portuguese. I don't know about that. My name is Hamza Lashari. What is your name? Uh, I'm I'm Fatima and I'm from Philippines. My dear brother, leave her alone and don't ask personal questions. It's okay. You can ask anything but not bad. Hello, yes, and welcome back. Can't believe. I like, my God, Mr. Hamza, I have husband, 17 years old than you. I am 35 years old, so you're young, so I don't need that. My God, I thought you'll get info and also. I have husband and that's it. I don't need other. I mean, I'm sorry. Where are you from? I'm Mr. Hamza. I'm from Philippines. You're. I'm 35 years old. I'm so old. If I did anything wrong, it's okay, Mr. Banana. You don't have any wrong. You're just asking what is my husband name, and it's not bad. You're asking me what is my husband name, so I said Adnan. My WhatsApp number. Oh my God, I don't have any. I don't want to talk any other. You can talk to me, you can ask me here in my live, not in other apps or in a private message. I don't want. Thank you for like. Yes. You can find another girl without husband. No husband, no anything, no boyfriend. You can find it. If you are serious, so any girl can. But if you in here in Pakistan is arranged marriage, I know that because from your heel a chill. What heel a chill? Uh, it means you don't get angry easily. I'm not get angry easily if not making me angry. If other person making me angry, so I'm angry. Angry. Yes, let's go for lecture. Mom, can you please pray for mom? She's sick. Eh? Who? Who is sick? Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Mhm, mhm. Na, 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 na. Is sick, so yeah. Can you pray for her? Yes, okay. I will pray for her. She quickly become fine and become. Who's mom? Your mom is sick, Mr. Banana? Why your name is Mr. Banana? Hmm. Mom, how many times do you pray? I Hello, my husband. How are you? I'm not praying because I don't know how to pray. Yeah, it's like a trend, you know. Huh? Trend. Yes, my husband trained me like that. Sometimes when I was in Saudi Arabia, sometimes I pray because I have some like a book, guidebook. And then, I don't know where I put, so that's why I forget. Your voice is so much clear and good. Yes. Mm. Yeah, I know. The trend. Trend. Trend? What trend? Trend means train. Training. You trend. Mhm, 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 mhm. I never believe in the unnecessary. Mom, do you know even know English? Yes, because yeah, of course. Uh, mm, 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 mm. Yes, I know. I know about that. 5 times prayer every day because yes, in Muslim you can pray 5 times a day. Uh, 1 o'clock in midnight. Yes, in morning. In Philippines, this time is 1 o'clock. All people until now, all people is sleeping until 5, 7. Yes, 7 or 5, 5 or 6, 7 like that. Mostly in Philippines, wake up 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, or 7 o'clock in the morning. And sleeping is sometimes 7 after dinner, 7, 8, or 9. Depend. Do you have a pray? It's not a choice. It's an order from Allah and Prophet Muhammad. I know. Prayer is not a choice. It's a order from Allah. I know that. And every Muslim we need prayer 5 times, especially in Friday. Friday is important in Muslim. But yes, right. Some Muslim always prayer, but I'm so sad because 5 times you prayer and then you making nonsense, like some people doing wrong about me and my daughter. It's a Muslim work. It's always you prayer to Allah. Your prayer is useless if you're doing wrong, like nothing. I don't want to talk anything. I just hate that person. If you're watching my live now, so I hope you can realize, because you have also daughter and mother. And if you don't love your mother and daughter, so I hope you can go in heaven when you die. I'm not that kind of question. You're not hurting me. You're just saying. But I'm just talking about what happened, because I'm just sad because four person do that on me, not only me, involve my daughter. Even my daughter is innocent. My daughter don't know this four person. She living in Philippines without knowing anything. Even I know I don't know these two guys. No, three. And you do that on me? Why? He know about me very well in Philippines, what I'm doing. It's okay. I'm not sad. I'm just talking about kind of that, because I remember, because so fresh, just like maybe 1 day ago. Mm, I know so much. Ay, nawala mo ko. Ay, buang. Laglag. Bilal Abdul Wahid. What are you? Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Thank you. Yes. Ah, ah, mm, mm, mm. My God, my connection. Best wishes. Ah, if, if you don't like can tell me what is your religion before? Ah, my religion before is Christian. I am a Christian before, and when I was in Saudi Arabia, I convert to a Muslim. Mm. Yes, Sir Bilal, I'm married. I am married. Because yun kaya kong ating ka. Bakit ngayon na? Bakit 16 direct to 16? Nahanap ka. Ka pa rin ang nais ko. Ang laman ng puso ko. Mayayain ay damdamin. Ala, tama. If you ever come to Pakistan, come to Peshawar. It's beautiful mountain. Peshawar? Ah, really? Which mountain? What can? Because last time I come in Peshawar, but I not see the mountain. Peshawar. Ah, Peshawar is so near. Ngayon malapit na sa aking piling. Hmm? Ano? Ano sabi mo? What you saying banana? Mhm. And is the area where mountains are. Ah, I don't know about that. Um, I asked my husband what kind of Shapal, Shapahil, Shapahil. Hmm. This is area mountain or search in Google. Okay, okay. I will search later. Na ngayon wala ka na sa aking piling. Sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya ko limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Before I won't come in Marie, Mori, Marie. Marie, Mori, Mori. I don't know how to pronounce it. Because Mori, Marie, Mori is have snow. I want to see the real snow, but I see one time real snow. Like when here, can you search now? It's my request. Mori, no, you know in Mori, Marie, Mori, Mountain of Peshawar. Wait, I will search in Google. Mountain of Peshawar. Mm, it's very close to me. Oh, really? Mm. Okay. What name of that? Peshawar. Peshawar. Ah. Peshawar is located near of foothills of the Hindu Kush mountain range, which forms part of the larger mountains region in Khyber. Come in October, it's the best month to come to Peshawar and Mori. October? Oh my God, it's so cold. Ah, this is mountain of Peshawar. September, October, November, December. It's cold. It's so fun. It's so cold. You know what? I cannot understand. I cannot. If hot, so hot. If cold, so cold. Oh my God. But one area is not some cold. Some area here in Pakistan, not some cold. Can I tell you something about me? Okay, you tell me about me. You tell me about me. You tell me about your. This is the one of the highest mountain range. This is mountain. No internet. Ipunggol na no internet. No internet ako. Ah. Hmm. May deny. Oh, so I am a 14 years old boy who was born in this disabled as a grow older. I lost strength and I never walked a day in my life. Oh, really? So it's okay. We cannot do anything if you're disabled. It's your inborn. Explore Shangri-La of James Hilton. One time I can come where I lost. Oh, really? Hello, Hamza. Why? I'm not silent. We're talking something. You're not here? Ah, thank you. Mm-hmm. Like, whenever I think about it. Oh, really? Oh, what your children number? You mean how many kids I have? I have daughter. Mr. Hamza, Any person do saying that, not only you. If you see something, you're saying quickly. Even you don't know anything, you don't know her life, you don't know her attitude or anything, you're just saying, I like you. Quickly. Even you just now you see. If you see something, if you see, you're saying all, I think all boys like that. Saying, I like you, I like you, I love you. What? You know what? You can easily to, speak like that. Speak, I love you, I like you, I love you. Oh my goodness, banana. Mom, are you gonna come live tomorrow? I hope, inshallah, I can live. Because of my work, sometimes I late come in my room, and I hope, inshallah, I can live. But I will definitely, I will come to my live, because if I'm busy, if I late, so sometimes I come in my live. Last few days, I'm not come in my live because I come in my room so late. But inshallah, tomorrow I can live. Where is your husband? My husband is around the world. My husband is just watching on me, just see what I'm doing, but he not he not comment anything in my life. Just watching on me. Why? I'm lucky to my husband. Yes, you can call me Api. I know about that, Api. It's a big sister, or yeah, I know. I know. Mm. It's just in mobile, I'm beautiful, but in person, I'm not beautiful. I'm telling you the truth. I am like a monster. I cannot speak or do. That's it. This was good to do. Checking only. Hindi tungkol. Sino ba ito? Hmm. Nawala in town ako. What are you doing today? Your education. I'm not education. I'm working. I'm not education. Today I'm doing my work. And then after finish my work, I come in my room and sleep. That's it, my work. Every day, not only today. Ay, I feel sleeping, lying in the bed. Yes, of course, because I'm so tired. Happy I don't show sadness of my disability in front of my parents because when I become sad, they also become sad, and I don't want to make them sad, and I don't want to have anyone to share my pain. It's okay. At least you're alive. We cannot, it's a ala want what? It's share my sadness with you. It's okay. You pray that and you always healthy no matter you are disabled. We cannot do anything if this disabled is inborn, so we cannot do anything. But we saying thanks to Allah because we see in this world. Yes, it's okay. Don't sad. Some people is like that, is disabled, cannot walk, cannot stand, but still happy. Oh, how many siblings you have? All of you is disabled? So, oh my God. What kind of you cannot stand or you cannot no. What no? What do you mean no? Why all of you is from when you was born, when you come in this world, you are like that? Or something happened with you when you're yeah, when you're baby? I know your parents is sad because her son and daughter is disabled, so of course your parents is sad. Because you cannot, two of us are disabled and we are from same mother and three siblings are step siblings. Oh, and they are fine. So you and your sister is both is disabled and you have tip siblings is fine. So what happened? Hmm. It's okay. You just pray to Allah that you become, no matter you are disabled, but you still healthy. No any sickness. Hmm. I'm from Philippines, Mr. Bobby. Mr. Bobby. I'm from Philippines. And I can't walk or understand, sit, nothing that I can do on my own. And I was born like, okay. It's okay. Not in this world, not only you like that. Not only you. Many people, some people cannot walk, cannot run, and especially cannot stand. I'm sorry, Mozulai. I'm sorry, name is crazy. Huh? Why crazy? Bobby is not crazy. Like that. No, it's okay, Bobby. Don't say sorry. Ngarap ko ay- No, I'm not saying I don't like. I said Bobby. What's wrong with your name? Why you're saying like that? Yeah, my name, mother, father, my friendship. Okay. Islam. Okay, no problem. And Philippines also have many name. You cannot speak no miss. What no miss? No problem, no miss, no prices. Huh? What do you mean? What? Why you kiss me? So now guys, I'm going to sleep. So bye-bye. Allah Hafiz guys. So now guys, I end my live because I'm going to sleep. It's time 12. So now see you to my next vlog. Next vlog. Hey guys, keep bye bye. Banana from Pakistan. Bye-bye, Alafis. Don't be sad if you are like that. You just thanks to Allah you see in this world. Okay, bye-bye, Alafis. Thank you. See you my next live. Oh my goodness.